The results that MJSL delivered over the last couple of years has surprised everyone. Tremendous growth, leading market share, and an excellent team in place.
How did we manage to achieve this? For one, a central vision of delivering beyond customer service.
Our safety, knowledgeable and professional. Customer know we are getting premier service from Schindler.
On top of that, we are doing a lot in being socially responsible and contributing back to Myanmar society in many ways.
Last but not least, a keen focus and clear plan to develop local farmers' talent. People know they have a chance as long as they work hard and put it in the right attitude.
Girls ads get exposures in overseas trainings. We are equipped with skill to be number one in the world.
We are being recognized by our company for our contribution and experience.
The company motivates us in many ways,
And we are
happy in this environment.
Faster to chase your dream with